Hey y'all! Alright, so I've already braided my right side of my head. Alright, so I'm using some soppy gel. I've already parted my hair and I'm just going to put some gel on the ponytail. So I'm using some reused hair. I'm using Easy Braid hair. I'm using 99-cent hair. Okay, because I don't want to be wasting no braiding hair. Alright, yeah, so I'm braiding the back of my hair backwards. Now I'm not going to use no braiding hair at all until I braid all the way to the top. So make sure you take your time when you braiding the back of your hair upside down. This is what it looks like. So I'm braiding the hair all the way down. So I have this here to be a small amount of braiding here because my braids are like kind of medium. So I want to match the size of this braid. Alright, so this is what the band looks like. Alright, so you put your braids in the ponytail. Leave these two out. Okay, looking like this. Now you're gonna cross it. You can get you some hairpins. Okay. Alright, y'all, so let me show you guys what my hair looks like. Alright, we'll start from the back. Alright, hope you guys really like this hairstyle. This is my first time ever trying this hairstyle, and I have not seen no one on YouTube do this hairstyle at all. So you guys let me know if you guys tried it. Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Peace out.